Hey there guys and gals. Today we're going to figure out how to replace this cover found in the HHR 2006. This is the flimsy thing that's supposed to protect our cabin filter and keep water from going onto the floor of the front passenger seat, and we're going to replace it with cardboard. Sounds like a good idea? Well, it better be a good idea because we got to get it done and it's got to be cheap.
This is a disclaimer. Although I am not a doctor, I'm an experienced nurse and I need to inform you of the side effects that may result from watching this channel. Impromptu project starting, ambiguous thinking, sarcasm, randomness, and reminding the public that life will stop with these videos.
Yeah, we're in the 2006 Chevy HHR. We're going to see if the internet rumor is true. And we're going to pull this cover off here. We need something to pry this up here. Yeah, that worked. Oh, there we go. And sure enough, look what we found. The internet rumored about this situation, and this in here is our cabin filter. That is not a pretty sight. That's what we've been breathing in here. We'll just bang it on the fender, clean it out. Now we need to come up with a solution to fix this problem. Well, boys and girls, I think this calls for some CAD drawing. Cardboard aided design. We're high tech up in this place, you know. We don't mess around. Alright, let's see if we can trace this out. This is that wheel bearing box. Waste not, want not. Alright. The directions say use a clean surface. Well, this is cardboard I used to put on the ground. It's quite dirty. But it also says we need a mechanical surface to hang on to. So let's rough this up. There we go. Use our fancy brush. Yeah, look at that, soak right into that cardboard, huh? Nice, getting a nice mechanical grip with this fiberglass. Just tracing out our pattern to see what we have left to clean off here. As you can see, by all that dust, we've already shaved this down quite a bit. So let's finish it up. This is still looking really rough, and that's okay. We need it to stay dry and function. That's all we need. Alright, now this is for you want it to look a little nicer. This is Bondo. I've never used it before. I'm just going to assume that it works the same as short strand fiberglass. Start with a smooth surface, not a rough one like I am. So we're going to mix this up real good with our cardboard, and then we're going to apply it. I'm scraping off of this side, and all the extra I'm putting on the other side. This should dry in no time. While this is drying, I'm going to show you something I just came up with. I'm probably not the first guy to do it. Something different. We're going to mix paint. That works really good. We have a large Phillips screwdriver, zip ties, and our paint. This is looking not too shabby. Nice and smooth. But I guarantee you once we get our paint on it, it's going to look rough. But that's okay. We just need it to seal and keep the water out. This is a paint and primer. You really should just do a light coat and then come back and do a light coat. I'm not doing that for some reason today. Why am I always trying to break the rules? Thumbprint, no problem. Just cover it up. We got the bottom side here of our new part that we made. We got a gasket. Nice thick layer of RTV, and we'll let this dry, and then we can install it. Self-tappers in. There you have it. We have a nice looking red sparkly color for our cover. That's going to keep the water out and going to keep our cabin filter nice and dry and our passenger floor nice and dry. I need to do a better job of planning on my part because I'm already dressed for work and I'm working on the car. What the heck? Well, I can tell you it's turned into a how you can video. You don't need to know how to do everything. I didn't know how to mix fiberglass. I didn't even measure with proper measuring tools. I just guessed. The point is that I'm trying to make, sometimes we need to just suck it up and just fake it till we make it. Even if you don't know how to do something, sometimes you just have to do it because sometimes that's the only way you're going to learn, just to do it. For anybody watching this, I challenge you to push yourself to do something you don't know how to do. You might have to guess at it, or you might have to fail. That's okay. You can fail as long as you get up and try it again. And that's the whole point of it, is that you gotta just get up and do something. Even if you don't know what you're doing, have determination, and you will see amazing results. So, this is Miser Mike saying, until something else breaks, we'll see you later.